Customization is key these days. When you're in InDesign and you've got a design you would like to use the drop cap option in your text, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's by far the easiest way to go through it. So let's get into it. So what we're going to do now is make sure that we have our type tool selected. So when you're selecting with your select tool or your selection tool, then you're actually just selecting the text as an object. So what we want to do is go into our type tool, and here we will be able to actually click inside here and edit this. So if you are not seeing these options on the right hand side, the paragraph, you can jump into window in the top of your menu, run down to type and tables, and you can click on paragraph and this will show up. Now what we're looking for over here on this menu is the icon with an A, and it looks like paragraph, and the A plus and the paragraph. So what we're going to do here, as you can see our text standing, this is what it looks like currently, and this first setting changes this. You can see now that the very first letter over here is much larger than the rest of the text. The second setting over here will make changes as such. And it's quick and easy to control everything from the right hand side over here, just under your paragraph settings.